Hello guys, welcome back to another update video on my multiplayer game. If you're new here, I'm xzippyzachx, and I'm making a multiplayer action shooter game with multiple game modes that can be played in a variety of team sizes. Got him. Oh, one's up here. Another one up. Got him. Okay, time to bail. Run! No! Pro MT's the lone survivor. Where is he? What you just saw was the new infection game mode, but before I talk about that, let's start by looking at the testing grounds map, because since the last video I've made a few tweaks based on some feedback I got from the playtests. The first issue we encountered was it was kind of difficult to know what side of the map you were on, since it's a mirror image on both sides. So to help players orient themselves, I added colored light bars on certain walls of the map to help recognize what side of the map you're on. If you're outside, you can always look up at the towers to know if you're on the blue or red side of the map. And if you're in the tunnels, certain walls will have colored light bars as well, so you know what tunnel to take. The other tweak I did was add a bunch of boxes around the map. This is not only to add more cover, but also to add a little more color. I'm sure you noticed, but I also tweaked the colors and lighting of the whole map, which I think has really added more depth and made the map look a lot less bland. Oh, holy, he got close. Whoa, no! Holy cow. That person's dead. Run. Ah! Run. Ah! Got him. Hi there. Good game. So yeah, this is the new infection game mode. If you don't already understand how it works, when the game first starts, everyone spawns as a survivor, and one or two players become infected. For the infected to win the game, they need to kill or infect all the survivors. And for the survivors to win, they have to survive until the game time runs out. The infected only have knives, and the survivors have guns and grenades. The survivors have to be careful though, because you can run out of ammo fairly quickly, and the infected will swarm you. No! Something that we often don't realize is how important a good setting system is in a game. Not only does it need to be easy to use and find the setting you are looking for as a player, but as a game developer, it needs to be easy to add additional settings as the game is developed. I originally made a simple setting system for my game about a year ago, but I quickly realized that it wasn't easy for players to use, and it wasn't easy for me to implement additional settings. Now I have reworked my setting system to have multiple tabs for different setting categories. This should make it easier for players to find the setting they are looking for. In terms of me adding additional settings while developing, I've made it so that the settings UI is dynamically generated, so I don't even have to think about the UI. I just have to add the settings properties in the inspector and then wire that setting to wherever it is in the code that needs to use it. Overall, this rework is a major improvement for both the players and myself. Currently, the only way to play my multiplayer game is to join a server. There is no single player, and the main reason for this is because most of the important logic runs through the server, which runs as a dedicated application. In past playtests, I have always been the one to host a server for us. It does take a bit of technical knowledge to get it working, but I now have a community server build that anyone can use to host a server. It's very similar to how you host a Java Minecraft server if you've ever done that. For those of you who are interested in this, feel free to ask about community server hosting on my Discord server. When you're looking to join a server from the server list, you will now see a check icon appears beside official servers. These are the servers that are hosted by me and will count towards player progression in the future, whereas servers with a person icon beside them are being hosted by the community. This is just the beginning of being able to self-host servers, and I have plans to hopefully try and make it easier to host for even people with no technical skills in the future. I'm actually going to end this update video with a little bit of a life update. For those of you that don't know, I'm a full-time university student studying software engineering. I recently just moved back to the big city to focus on finishing my degree, and so I've been seeing my free time slowly disappear. Since it's that free time that I used to make this game and these videos, basically what I'm saying is these videos have been and will continue to be sparse. Either way, I thank everyone that continues to watch my content. Anyway, click on the playlist in the end card to watch all my other update videos. I hope you like this update video, and I hope to see you in my next one, even if it's going to be a while. Until then, thanks for watching. Zippy out.